Hello, Elephant. My name is Elephant. I am from Kosovo. I really want to thank you because you sent this machine to me. It's making my work very easy and it's cutting very good, you know. The work of this machine has made my workflow very easy, and I can connect everything with Python software, and I can export barcodes here and everything. And this machine is really good quality. Thank you. So, I want to thank you for sending this machine to me. This machine has helped me a lot. I can put boards here. The finished product is very good, and the boards can transport and come again here. The screen is with touch screen, and everything is working perfectly. Thank you. I can say that this 600 machine is very easy to use. The software is very familiar here, and this machine has two heads, which make the work very easy and so fast. This machine can also change tools from here, and you can make whatever design that you like here. Machine, I can see that you have put very good materials and components here, like Schneider, Yaskawa, Delta, and Samtec. This is Samtec 60 CP. I thank you for sending this machine, which is working very well